Discover worlds beyond imagination, where the sky isn't the limit, but the beginning of a new journey. Get ready to explore fascinating exoplanets that challenge our understanding and ignite the imagination. Right now, our blue planet shines alone as an oasis of life in a vast and seemingly silent cosmos. The quest for cosmic neighbors has stretched from Mars to Venus, yet all attempts so far have yielded only secrets and silence. However, considering the fact that the universe glitters with more stars than the countless grains of sand on Earth's beaches, and that most of these stars harbor a constellation of worlds, it's a challenge to the imagination to accept Earth as the sole sanctuary of life. Indeed, our telescopes have captured glimpses of fascinating exoplanetary destinations, worlds that not only promise new horizons, but also possess attributes that make them even more hospitable than our earthly abode. So, get ready to embark on a captivating tour of the most intriguing exoplanet ever identified, spheres that hold the promise of being more than just habitable, but superior in their ability to sustain life beyond Earth's blue sky. This formidable planet stands out as the prime candidate for a super-habitable world, a rocky giant whose reach dwarfs that of Earth, serenely situated in the temperate region of its star, where temperatures favor the existence of liquid water, an essential component for life as we know it. Imagine a world of such vastness that a transcontinental journey could last over 100 hours, a planet where fertile terrains stretch into endless possibilities for biodiversity. This planet dances around an exceptionally stable star, an orange dwarf that, unlike our Sun, a relatively short-lived G-type star, shines with the promise of the long term, up to 70 billion years. Think of the rich tapestry of life that could evolve over such an extended period, potentially reaching advanced stages of civilization and stellar engineering that we can barely imagine. Now, while KOI 5715.01, with its peculiar name, may seem like the celestial address of dreams, we must face the reality of astronomical distances. At a distance of 3,000 light-years from Earth, even if we were to borrow NASA's most advanced spacecraft, it would be a journey of over 100,000 years. The dream of visiting this exoplanet is one for the future, when traversing the cosmos in timescales that allow us to do so becomes possible. For now, we can only mentally conceive the wonders of life that may be flourishing beyond our understanding. With more realistic visions, perhaps we should redirect our attention to more accessible candidates in the nearest stellar space. Just 39 light-years away, we find an intriguing star system that offers a glimpse of a potential haven for life, the TRAPPIST-1 system, where 7 Earth-like worlds orbit their host star. Among these worlds, 3 reside in the habitable zone, where conditions may favor the existence of liquid water and, consequently, life. This star system, revealed in 2017 and the subject of intense investigation since then, offers a fascinating scenario for speculation about alien life forms. With a detection methodology based on the transit of planets in front of their star, astronomers have discovered a treasure trove of worlds much older than Earth, allowing for the evolution of life for billions of years before our planet even formed. The 4th planet in the system, TRAPPIST-1e, holds particular interest due to favorable conditions for water and the possibility of an oxygen-rich atmosphere. However, it's worth noting the peculiarities of this system. The close-in planets orbit a red dwarf star, substantially smaller and cooler than our Sun. This extreme proximity raises the possibility of synchronized rotation, with one side permanently exposed to heat and the other frozen. Despite the challenges these conditions present, the possibility of observing multiple planets in the sky and even traveling between them, like neighboring nations, stimulates the imagination. From skiing on one world to enjoying tropical vacations on another, the proximity and diversity of these worlds provide unique experiences for those who inhabit them. With a relatively accessible distance of 39 light-years, who knows if one day humanity will turn these scenarios of interplanetary travel into an exciting reality of cosmic exploration and discovery. Kepler 452b, often hailed as Earth 2.0, is a world that evokes fascination and concern due to its remarkable similarities to our own home. Orbiting a sun-like star every 384 days, the planet presents an almost familiar scenario, with months of exact 32 days an enviable fit to our This super-Earth, about 50% larger than our planet, points to expanded continents and potentially more bodies of water, suggesting vast landscapes to be explored. However, discrepancies become evident when considering its density being 5 times more massive than Earth. Gravity on its surface would be double, imparting additional weight to its inhabitants. A unique curiosity of Kepler 452b is the absence of giant gas planets in its system, differing from our own solar system. While historically, we have valued the presence of Jupiter as a protective shield against asteroids on Earth, recent studies question this perspective, suggesting that its influence may not be as beneficial as previously thought. Kepler 452b's planetary solitude may paradoxically exempt it from concerns about asteroid collisions, providing a potentially safer environment. However, not everything is advantageous for this intriguing world. With a star slightly older than ours, Kepler 452b risks being exposed to excessive radiation as the star evolves, inducing an uncontrollable greenhouse effect that could turn the planet into a hellish landscape akin to Venus, incapable of sustaining life. Thus, Kepler 452b reveals itself as a delicate balance between similarity and uniqueness, offering a glimpse of the complexities and uncertainties that pervade the search for habitable planets beyond our solar system. After an epic journey 600 light-years away, we arrive at the distant Cygnus constellation, where Kepler 22b shines as one of the most captivating super-Earths ever discovered. This planet intrigues astronomers with the possibility of being a true water world, reminiscent of the planet Miller in the movie Interstellar, with a vast ocean enveloping its rocky inner core, reaching depths of hundreds of kilometers. Considering the hypothesis of life evolving in the deep subterranean depths of this ocean, we imagine a unique ecosystem, populated by exotic aquatic creatures that challenge even the most extravagant dreams. A human foray into this aquatic world of Kepler 22b would surely reserve unprecedented and thrilling surprises, challenging our understanding of life and diversity in the universe. The intriguing question that arises is, among these exotic and fascinating worlds, on which planet would we feel inclined to move? While Kepler 22b offers a stunning and mysterious aquatic scenario, Earth still remains as our known and beloved home. For now, perhaps the security and familiarity of our terrestrial abode serve as a valuable link to our earthly existence and history. So, subscribe now to discover more about the mysteries of the universe, or share your own curiosities about the cosmos in the comments.